Welcome to the ultimate wildlife showdown. Today, we're venturing into the heart of the avian world to compare two remarkably different yet equally fascinating birds, the towering ostrich and the elegant flamingo. From the sun-baked savannas of Africa to the shimmering salt flats of the Americas, these feathered marvels have captivated our imaginations for centuries. Let's delve into their unique characteristics, explore their remarkable adaptations, and see who emerges as the champion of our avian arena. Our contenders present a striking study in contrasts. The ostrich, a true giant of the bird kingdom, stands tall as the largest living bird, reaching heights of up to 9 feet. Its powerful legs, each ending in 2 toes tipped with formidable claws, are a testament to its speed and strength. This avian titan, flightless yet magnificent, roams the savannas and open grasslands of Africa. Its plumage a blend of black, brown and white, providing camouflage in the dappled sunlight. The flamingo, on the other hand, is a vision of grace and elegance. Standing on long, slender legs, its pink-hued plumage, a result of its unique diet, creates a spectacle of color against the backdrop of shimmering lagoons. These wading birds, found in flocks numbering in the thousands, create a breathtaking spectacle. Their synchronized movements a mesmerizing ballet across the world's saline lakes and lagoons. The ostrich's size, a product of its evolutionary journey, allows it to dominate its environment. Its long neck, extending from its powerful body, provides a commanding view of the savanna, scanning for predators or potential mates. The flamingo's slender legs, perfectly adapted for wading in shallow waters, allow it to access a food source unavailable to most other birds. These physical adaptations, shaped over millennia by the unrelenting forces of natural selection, are key to their survival. The ostrich's powerful legs, capable of delivering a bone-shattering kick, are not merely for show. These impressive limbs propel the ostrich across the savanna at speeds up to 43 miles per hour, making it the fastest bird on land. The flamingo, while not known for its speed, possesses remarkable agility in the water. Its webbed feet, often overlooked beneath its vibrant plumage, provide stability and maneuverability as it navigates its watery world. The differences extend beyond their size and stature. The ostrich, with its large head and prominent eyes, possesses exceptional eyesight, crucial for detecting predators in the vast expanse of the savanna. The flamingo's long, curved beak, a marvel of natural engineering, is perfectly adapted for filtering food from the water. The ostrich's brown and white plumage provides effective camouflage in the dappled sunlight filtering through the savanna grasses, allowing it to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. The flamingo's vibrant pink plumage, a stark contrast to the muted tones of the ostrich, serves a different purpose. This striking coloration, a result of pigments called carotenoids found in their diet of algae and crustaceans, plays a crucial role in mate attraction. The ostrich's wings, though incapable of flight, serve a vital purpose. These powerful appendages are used in courtship displays for balance while running and for shading their young from the scorching African sun. The flamingo's wings, in contrast, are perfectly adapted for flight. These magnificent birds, often seen soaring in large flocks, create a mesmerizing spectacle against the backdrop of the setting sun. The ostrich's powerful legs and sharp claws, formidable weapons in their own right, are not its only means of defense. These intelligent birds are known to use their size and intimidating presence to ward off predators. The flamingo's defense mechanisms are more subtle. Their large flocks, often numbering in the thousands, provide safety in numbers, making it difficult for predators to isolate and target individuals. The ostrich's size and strength make it a formidable opponent in the animal kingdom. Its powerful legs, capable of delivering a fatal kick, are a potent deterrent to even the most determined predator. The flamingo, while lacking the ostrich's physical prowess, relies on its agility and social behavior for protection. These two birds, though vastly different in appearance and behavior, share a common thread. They are both masters of adaptation. Their unique characteristics, honed over millennia by the relentless forces of natural selection, have allowed them to thrive in their respective environments. The ostrich and the flamingo, each adapted to thrive in vastly different environments, offer a fascinating glimpse into the power of natural selection. The ostrich, a denizen of the savanna, has evolved to withstand the harsh realities of this unforgiving landscape. From the scorching sun to the ever-present threat of predation, the ostrich has met each challenge with remarkable resilience. The flamingo, in stark contrast to the ostrich's arid domain, favors the shimmering expanse of saline lakes and lagoons. These shallow, often highly alkaline waters, inhospitable to most other creatures, provide the flamingo with both sustenance and sanctuary. The flamingo's remarkable adaptations, from its specialized feeding apparatus to its tolerance for high salt concentrations, allow it to flourish where few others dare to tread. The ostrich's world is a tapestry of golden grasslands, acacia woodlands, and dry riverbeds, stretching across sub-Saharan Africa. This vast landscape, teeming with life yet fraught with danger, has shaped the ostrich's evolution, favoring speed, endurance, and keen senses. The flamingo's world, on the other hand, is a watery realm of shimmering reflections and ethereal beauty. The ostrich shares its domain with a menagerie of iconic African wildlife, from herds of zebras and wildebeest to prides of lions and packs of hyenas. This constant interplay between predator and prey has honed the ostrich's survival instincts, making it ever vigilant and quick to react to danger. The flamingo's neighbors are a more eclectic mix, ranging from brine shrimp and algae, the staples of their diet, to other wading birds and waterfowl that share their saline haven. The ostrich's habitat, characterized by seasonal rainfall and prolonged periods of drought, presents a constant challenge for survival. The ability to endure thirst for extended periods, to extract moisture from their food, and to cover vast distances in search of water are all testament to the ostrich's remarkable resilience. The flamingo's watery world, while seemingly abundant in resources, presents its own set of challenges. The high salt concentrations, the fluctuating water levels, and the ever-present threat of avian predators all demand specialized adaptations for survival. The ostrich's range, once spanning across Africa and parts of Asia, has shrunk in recent times due to habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent birds and ensure their continued survival. The flamingo, with its wider distribution across Africa, Asia, Europe, and the Americas, faces different challenges. Pollution, habitat degradation, and climate change all pose threats to their populations. The ostrich's habitat, with its wide open spaces and lack of dense vegetation, favors its running ability. The flamingo's habitat, with its shallow waters and muddy shorelines, necessitates wading and foraging in close proximity to other individuals. These contrasting environments have shaped their social structures and behaviors. The ostrich, while often found in small groups, is not a truly social bird. Their interactions are often characterized by a degree of competition, particularly during the breeding season. The flamingo, on the other hand, is highly gregarious, forming massive flocks that can number in the hundreds of thousands. This social behavior, a key to their survival, offers protection from predators, enhances foraging efficiency, and facilitates breeding success. The ostrich's habitat, with its unpredictable rainfall patterns and harsh climate, requires a high degree of adaptability. The flamingo's habitat, while seemingly more stable, is also subject to fluctuations in salinity, water levels, and food availability, demanding a similar degree of resilience. The ostrich and the flamingo, each exquisitely adapted to its unique environment, remind us of the intricate web of life on Earth. Their contrasting habitats, their specialized adaptations, and their remarkable survival strategies offer a glimpse into the boundless wonders of the natural world. Chapter 3. The ostrich and the flamingo, inhabitants of vastly different worlds, have evolved remarkably diverse feeding strategies to suit their unique environments. The ostrich, a denizen of the arid savanna, has adapted to thrive on a diet surprisingly varied for such a large bird. Their powerful legs carry them across the savanna, their keen eyesight scanning for the seeds, fruits, flowers, and succulent plants that make up the bulk of their diet. The flamingo, in contrast to the ostrich's omnivorous tendencies, exhibits a remarkable specialization in its diet, focusing primarily on microscopic algae and brine shrimp. Their uniquely adapted beaks, marvels of natural engineering, are perfectly designed to filter these tiny organisms from the water, sustaining their vibrant pink plumage and providing the energy required for their active lifestyle. The ostrich's powerful beak, lacking teeth, is adept at pecking and grasping, allowing it to gather a surprising variety of food. From fallen fruits to the tender shoots of new growth, the ostrich's diet reflects the seasonal abundance of its savanna home. The flamingo's beak, a study in elegant design, features a specialized filtration system. Lined with lamellae, tiny comb-like structures, the beak acts as a sieve, trapping minute organisms while expelling water and unwanted debris. The ostrich, often opportunistic in its feeding habits, will also consume insects, reptiles and small mammals if the opportunity arises. This dietary flexibility, crucial in an environment where resources can be scarce, highlights the ostrich's adaptability. The flamingo, in contrast, exhibits remarkable fidelity to its specialized diet. Their vibrant pink plumage, a direct result of the pigments found in their algae and brine shrimp diet, serves as a testament to their unwavering commitment to this unique feeding strategy. The ostrich's digestive system, adapted to break down tough plant matter, features a long intestine and a muscular gizzard. This gizzard, containing grit and pebbles swallowed by the ostrich, grinds up food, aiding digestion in the absence of teeth. The flamingo's digestive system, while less complex than the ostrich's, is remarkably efficient at extracting nutrients from its microscopic prey. The ostrich, often seen foraging in small groups, benefits from increased awareness of potential predators. Their collective vigilance allows them to focus on feeding while remaining alert to danger. The flamingo, often congregating in vast flocks numbering in the thousands, transforms feeding into a mesmerizing spectacle. Their synchronized movements as they sweep their beaks through the water create a ripple effect, stirring up their microscopic prey and increasing foraging efficiency. The ostrich's diet, rich in fiber and nutrients, provides the energy required for its impressive growth rate and remarkable speed. The flamingo's diet, while seemingly limited, is surprisingly rich in protein and carotenoids, the pigments responsible for their vibrant pink coloration. The ostrich's feeding habits play a crucial role in seed dispersal, contributing to the health and diversity of the savanna ecosystem. The flamingo's feeding activities, filtering vast quantities of water, help to regulate algal blooms and maintain the delicate balance of their saline habitats. The ostrich's ability to endure periods of drought is partly due to its ability to extract moisture from its food. The flamingo's reliance on saline lakes and lagoons, often located in arid regions, highlights their adaptation to environments where fresh water is scarce. The ostrich and the flamingo, despite their vastly different diets and feeding adaptations, share a common thread. They are both integral parts of their respective ecosystems. Their feeding habits, shaped by millions of years of evolution, contribute to the delicate balance of life on Earth. Chapter 4. The ostrich and the flamingo, masters of adaptation in their respective environments, also exhibit fascinating and distinct approaches to courtship, mating, and raising their young. The ostrich, with its imposing size and powerful presence, engages in elaborate courtship rituals that are as captivating as they are unusual. The males, their black plumage shimmering under the African sun, puff out their wings and tails, performing a mesmerizing dance to attract the attention of potential mates. The flamingo, in stark contrast to the ostrich's solitary courtship displays, engages in elaborate synchronized routines involving hundreds, even thousands of individuals. These breathtaking spectacles of coordinated movement, a mesmerizing ballet of pink plumage and graceful steps, serve to strengthen social bonds and synchronize breeding cycles within the flock. The ostrich's booming calls resonating across the savanna are an integral part of their courtship rituals. These deep, guttural sounds, audible for miles, serve to attract females and warn off rival males. The flamingo's vocalizations, a cacophony of honks, grunts and whistles, play a crucial role in maintaining social cohesion within their vast flocks. These vocalizations, often amplified by the sheer number of birds involved, create an immersive auditory experience, a testament to their complex social interactions. The ostrich's mating system, often characterized as polygamous, involves a dominant male mating with multiple females. The females, in turn, lay their large, creamy white eggs in a communal nest, a shallow depression in the ground. The flamingo, in contrast to the ostrich's communal nesting, typically forms monogamous pairs, their bonds strengthened through their synchronized courtship displays. The ostrich's eggs, the largest of any bird, are a testament to the challenges of survival in the harsh savanna environment. These massive eggs, weighing up to 3 pounds each, require a considerable investment of resources from the parents. The flamingo's eggs, pale blue and surprisingly elongated, are laid in a mud nest built on a shallow platform, often near water. The ostrich's nesting duties are shared, with both parents taking turns incubating the eggs and protecting the nest from predators. The male ostrich, with his superior camouflage during the night, typically takes on the night shift. The flamingo's parental duties are also shared, with both parents incubating the egg and caring for the chick after hatching. The ostrich chicks, precocial and covered in downy feathers, are capable of running soon after hatching. This early mobility is crucial for survival in the predator-rich savanna environment. The flamingo chicks, in contrast, hatch with grey downy feathers and are dependent on their parents for warmth and food for the first few weeks of their lives. The ostrich parents fiercely protect their chicks, using their powerful legs and sharp claws to ward off predators. The flamingo parents, while lacking the ostrich's physical prowess, rely on their large flocks for protection, forming a protective barrier around their vulnerable chicks. The ostrich chicks, growing rapidly on a diet of insects and plants, reach their full size within a year. The flamingo chicks, their grey down gradually replaced by vibrant pink plumage, fledge within a few months but remain dependent on their parents for food and protection for several more weeks. The ostrich and the flamingo, despite their contrasting approaches to courtship, mating and child-rearing, share a common goal to ensure the survival of their offspring. Their diverse strategies, honed over millennia of evolution, highlight the remarkable adaptability of the avian world. Chapter 5. In the unforgiving theatres of nature, survival is a relentless performance, demanding constant vigilance and a diverse repertoire of defences. The ostrich and the flamingo, each masters of their respective domains, exemplify the extraordinary adaptations that enable creatures to thrive, even in the face of relentless challenges. The ostrich, a giant among birds, relies on a combination of imposing size, astonishing speed, and surprising cunning to navigate the perils of the African savanna. The flamingo, a vision of grace and elegance, depends on a different set of survival strategies, leveraging the power of community, camouflage, and remarkable physiological adaptations to flourish in its challenging saline habitats. The ostrich, when confronted with a threat, often chooses flight over fight. Their powerful legs, capable of propelling them to speeds of up to 43 miles per hour, make them one of the fastest land animals on Earth, outpacing most predators with ease. The flamingo, lacking the ostrich's raw speed, relies on a more nuanced approach to predator evasion. Their large flocks, often numbering in the thousands, provide safety in numbers, confusing predators and making it difficult to single out individuals. The ostrich's size, while intimidating, is not its only line of defense. Their powerful legs, tipped with 2 sharp claws, can deliver a bone-shattering kick, capable of deterring even the most determined predator. The flamingo, in contrast to the ostrich's formidable weaponry, relies on a more passive form of defense camouflage. Their pink plumage, while seemingly conspicuous, blends surprisingly well with the reflections of the sky on the water surface, particularly during dawn and dusk when predators are most active. The ostrich's keen eyesight, coupled with its elevated vantage point, allows it to detect predators from afar, giving them ample time to flee or prepare for a confrontation. The flamingo, feeding with its head submerged in the water, relies on its acute hearing and the vigilance of its flockmates to warn of approaching danger. The ostrich's coloration, a blend of black, brown and white, provides effective camouflage in the dappled sunlight of the savanna, allowing them to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. The flamingo's pink plumage, a result of pigments called carotenoids obtained from their diet, serves a dual purpose. Not only does it aid in camouflage, but it also plays a crucial role in mate attraction, signaling good health and breeding fitness. The ostrich's ability to regulate its body temperature is crucial for survival in the extreme heat of the African savanna. They can tolerate a wider range of body temperatures than most other birds, minimizing water loss through panting. The flamingo, inhabiting saline environments with high salt concentrations, possesses specialized salt glands located above their eyes. These glands extract excess salt from their bloodstream, excreting it as a concentrated solution through their nostrils. a remarkable adaptation that allows them to thrive in environments that would be toxic to most other animals. The ostrich, facing the constant threat of predation on their eggs and chicks, employs a variety of defensive strategies. They build communal nests, relying on the shared vigilance of the group to deter predators. The flamingo, nesting in large colonies, also benefits from safety in numbers. Their mud nests, built on elevated platforms near water, offer some protection from terrestrial predators. The ostrich and the flamingo, each facing a unique set of challenges in their respective environments, have evolved an impressive array of defenses and adaptations. Their stories of survival, etched in their very being, remind us of the remarkable resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. That's it for our Wildlife Showdown. We've journeyed across continents, from the sun-drenched savannas of Africa to the shimmering salt flats of the Americas, to witness the remarkable lives of the ostrich and the flamingo. We've delved into their unique characteristics, explored their contrasting habitats, and marveled at their adaptations for survival. But who emerges as the ultimate avian champion? Is it the ostrich, the towering titan of speed and strength? Or the flamingo, the elegant master of social strategy and environmental adaptation? The answer, as is often the case in nature, is not a simple one. Each bird, exquisitely adapted to its niche, showcases the boundless wonders of evolution. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content.